Did you know why data-driven decisions are the backbone of any successful hardware company? It's the key to staying competitive in today's fast-paced tech world. Hello everyone, and thank you for being here today. My name is Chenna Harshan Reddy, and I'm pleased to be presenting my analysis of AtliQ Hardware's business data, focusing on ad hoc insights that drive data-driven decisions. I have conducted an in-depth study to uncover key findings that impact market trends, product performance, and strategic growth. Let's begin by going through the agenda. For today's presentation, I will cover introduction and overview of AtliQ Hardware, company overview that includes market presence and product division, analysis approach includes how I processed ad hoc requests using analytical tools, key insights and findings, the most important results from my analysis. Now let's start with a brief introduction to AtliQ Hardware. AtliQ Hardware is a leading computer hardware manufacturer based in India with a strong global presence. The company operates across regions like Asia Pacific, Latin America, North America, and Europe, specializing in desktops, laptops, peripherals, accessories, storage solutions, and networking devices. Now, let's take a closer look at the objective and problem statement. The objective of my analysis was to study AtliQ Hardware's business data and generate insights that can help in making strategic and operational decisions. Despite its global success, the management faces challenges in making quick, data-driven decisions. To improve efficiency, AtliQ is looking to hire junior data analysts with strong technical and analytical skills. As a part of hiring process, Tony Sharma, the analytics director, has designed an SQL challenge to test candidates on their ability to handle ad hoc business requests. To begin this analysis, I first examined AtliQ Hardware's market presence and product divisions. AtliQ Hardware operates in four key regions, namely North America, Latin America, Europe, Asia Pacific. The company's product portfolio is categorized into personal and business PCs, notebooks, storage, networking, accessories, and peripherals. It's important to note that AtliQ Hardware fiscal year runs from September to August. So, for example, fiscal year 2020 covers the period from September 2019 to August 2020. Similarly to FY 2021, it starts from September 2020 to August 2021. Having understood the company's structure and fiscal year definitions, I then moved on to analyzing ad hoc business requests using various analytical tools. To gain valuable insights, I processed 10 ad hoc business requests using SQL and Power BI for visualization. These requests help me answer critical business questions such as market performance, product trends, and financial patterns. Also, on the left side of the slide, you can see a data model built in Power BI. This model was used to organize and analyze data effectively, helping in creating useful reports and visualizations. Now let's move on to the first ad hoc request. Provide the list of markets in which customer AtliQ Exclusive operates its business in the APAC region. Through my analysis, I found that in the APAC region, the highest gross sales come from India, while Japan reported the lowest sales. This indicates that India is a strong market for AtliQ, but there is a growth potential in other APAC countries as well. Now let's move on to the next ad hoc request. What is the percentage of unique product increase in 2021 versus 2020? My findings revealed a 36.33% increase in unique products in 2021 compared to 2020. This indicates that both demand and production capacity expanded significantly, reflecting a strong market response. Now let's move on to the third ad hoc request. Provide a report with all the unique product counts for each segment and sort them in descending order. From my analysis, I found that notebooks, accessories, and peripherals are growing at a faster rate compared to desktop, storage, and networking. Together, they make up 83% of the total manufactured products, showing a shift in consumer preference towards portable devices and accessories. Next, let's look at the ad-hoc request number 4. Which segment had the most increase in unique products in 2021 versus 2020? The accessories segment saw the largest increase in unique products. However, storage and networking grew at a slower pace, indicating that these areas need further innovation and expansion. Now let's move on to the ad hoc request number 5. Get the products that have the highest and lowest manufacturing costs. The product with the lowest manufacturing cost was the AQ Master wired X1 mouse, while the highest manufacturing cost was for AQ Home in all-in-one desktop. This shows how component complexity and production scale impact costs. Now moving on to ad hoc request number 6. Generate a report on the top 5 customers who received high pre-invoice discounts in India. I found that Flipkart received the highest average discount while Amazon received the least. This information can help in optimize pricing and discount strategies. Now let's move on to the ad hoc request number 7. Get the complete report of the gross sales amount for the customer AtliQ exclusive for each month. The lowest sales month was March 2020, while the highest sales month was November 2020. The major contributing factors were COVID-19 disruptions, global chip shortages, supply chain issues, decline in consumer spending. Now let's see the ad hoc request number 8. Which quarter of 2020 had the maximum total sold quantity? I discovered that quarter 1 in financial year 2020 had the highest number of units sold, contributing 34% of the total sales. This shows the seasonal impact on sales trends. Now let's look at the ad hoc request number 9. Which channel helped bring more gross sales in financial year 2021? The retailer channel contributed 73.22% of the total sales, making it the most significant sales channel. Now moving on to the ad hoc request number 10. Get the top 3 products in each division with highest total sold quantity in financial year 2021. Each division had product variants that ran multiple times, indicating consistent consumer preference. These are the visual representations of the top 3 products in each division. So we have seen the data, and now the question is, what can AtliQ Hardware do with it? Let's take a look at some recommendations. Based on my findings, I have identified strategies to enhance business performance, especially for underperforming and better performing products. Introducing package deals, bundle slow moving products like storage devices with high demand items like laptops, offering target discounts, higher discounts on storage products and loyalty rewards for repeating customers, expanding product variants, introducing new color and feature options for top selling categories like notebooks, enhancing retail and online promotions, incentivize retailers to push low performing products, leveraging seasonal demand, use festival seasons and corporate upgrade cycles to increase sales. Now let's move on to the final conclusion. Through my analysis, I have identified key insights in market performance, product growth, and financial insights. The data shows that notebooks, accessories, and peripherals are the fastest growing segments, while storage networking need more attention. Sales trends highlight the importance of seasonal demand and channel contributions, with retailers driving the highest revenue. By implementing targeted discounts, product bundling, and improved marketing for underperforming products, AtliQ Hardware can enhance sales, optimize inventory, and improve customer retention. These insights will help in making data driven decisions to drive future growth and efficiency. Thank you all for your time. I'm happy to take any questions.